Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the AirPods Pro 3 so the reset succeeds quickly. Make sure both buds and the case have some charge. Low power can interrupt the process, so charge to at least 20% if needed. Next, put both AirPods into the case and keep the lid open. This keeps them discoverable to the case and ready for reset. Finally, disable Bluetooth on nearby iPhone, iPad, or Mac to avoid automatic reconnection while you perform the manual reset. Now you'll execute the core reset sequence. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds. You'll see the LED change. It may show a white light, then amber, and then start flashing white. That flashing white is the signal the AirPods are reset and in pairing mode. Once you see the steady flashing white, release the button and wait a few seconds to let the internal settings clear and the devices finish the factory reset routine. Finish by repairing. With the case lid open and the AirPods flashing white, bring your iPhone or device close and follow the on-screen pairing prompt. This restores a clean connection and clears old device links. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, then restart your phone and try again. Sometimes cached Bluetooth entries block pairing. If problems persist, repeat the reset sequence once more. If that still fails, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.